In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your WooCommerce store to Omnisend so you can start to send campaigns to your WooCommerce customers. First thing you need to do is to install the app on your WordPress WooCommerce store. So if we go to down here, if we do plugins and then add a new plugin. And then if we search for plugin, if we do Omnisend. Now we need to make sure that you're installing the right app. The right one here is email marketing for WooCommerce by Omnisend. I don't want any of these kind of third-party apps. Let's just do install now. Having a little install moment. And then you need to activate it. It's just activating the app. Okay, so now we should be able to connect your store to Omnisend. Okay, then we go to install plugins. And you see we've got here a link to connect your store to Omnisend. So if we just click on that link there, it's going to ask us to log into the account. So let's click connect your account. So now on this page, we're being asked to give permissions to Omnisend to connect to WooCommerce. So let's just click approve. And we can see now, here we go, that it's been connected. So if we now go to, store settings and we go to store information, we can see the store's website address. So all the connections done. Just a few settings from within WooCommerce that we need to just go over. If you want to access Omnisend from within WooCommerce, that's done from the left-hand menu. There's an Omnisend link. You can also set up your Omnisend link from here. If we click onto that, we can see it says it's connected to Omnisend. Two settings down here, whether you collect emails at checkout. Very much recommend you do, because you'll start to build your email list then. If you click that, then you add a checkbox to the checkout page, and you can do that for email subscribers and also for SMS subscribers.